Oh, here we go. This is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus in a brilliant black exterior. It rides on the 17-inch Yokohama Avid tires. And check out that tread. Here we get the 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving the Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have the power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with a premium leather and suede seating. And if you're on the driver's side, you get the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. As for the left, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. As we go into the odometer, it reads 20,157 kilometers. This Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you have access to AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. When we go into navigation, you get a full screen detailed to guide you where you need to go. The climate control system is a tri-zone system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear of the Grand Caravan. As we move to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs, both Sto N Go, and plenty of legroom. As we move to the third row, we have 3 additional seats. For entertainment purposes, pressing this button brings down the DVD entertainment system. Once you're done in the back, you have a button that activates the power sliding doors. Over in the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. For the third row seat, it is a 60-40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, we have another button that activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see, would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler. Get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.